Will Ethereum reach $10,000 in the near future? To answer this, we must consider multiple factors: market trends, institutional adoption, technological advancements, expert predictions, and macroeconomic conditions. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, Ethereum's strong fundamentals and growing ecosystem make a compelling case for significant price appreciation. In this analysis, we'll explore whether ETH can hit the $10K milestone soon, backed by expert opinions, historical data, and key developments in the blockchain space. While $10,000 is an ambitious target, Ethereum's strong fundamentals, upcoming upgrades, and increasing institutional interest make it a plausible scenario in the next bull run. However, investors should remain cautious. Crypto markets are volatile, and external factors like regulatory crackdowns or macroeconomic downturns could delay such a milestone. If Ethereum continues to dominate DeFi, sees ETF approvals, and benefits from Bitcoin's having effect, reaching $10K in 2024 or 2025 is within the realm of possibility. As always, thorough research and risk management are essential before making any investment decisions. One of the most significant factors that could propel Ethereum to $10,000 is its continuous evolution through major network upgrades. The transition from proof of work POW to proof of stake POS with Ethereum 2.0 has already drastically reduced energy consumption, making ETH more appealing to ESG-focused investors and institutions. However, the upgrades don't stop there. Ethereum's roadmap includes danksharding, a scalability solution that will enhance transaction throughput by splitting the network into smaller, more manageable segments called shards. This upgrade, combined with existing Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon, could finally solve Ethereum's long-standing issues of high gas fees and slow transaction speeds. Moreover, the implementation of EIP 4844 Proto danksharding is expected to further reduce costs for rollups, making decentralized applications dApps more efficient. If these upgrades roll out smoothly, Ethereum could solidify its dominance in the smart contract space, attracting more developers and users. A more scalable, secure, and energy-efficient Ethereum would not only retain its current market share, but also potentially outpace competitors like Solana and Cardano. This technological edge could be the catalyst that drives ETH price toward the $10K mark in the coming months. The potential approval of a spot Ethereum ETF could be the single biggest catalyst for ETH reaching $10,000 in the near future. Following the groundbreaking success of Bitcoin ETF in early 2024, major financial institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale have either filed for or are actively pursuing Ethereum-based ETF. If approved, these investment vehicles would open the floodgates for institutional capital mirroring the massive inflows seen with Bitcoin ETF. Prominent investors like Cathie Wood ARK Invest have publicly stated that Ethereum could outperform Bitcoin in the long run due to its utility in DeFi, smart contracts, and Web3 applications Additionally, banking giants like JP Morgan have acknowledged Ethereum's shift to proof of stake as a major step toward making it a legitimate store of value Even traditional finance analysts who were once skeptical of crypto are now recognizing Ethereum's potential, especially with its deflationary supply mechanism EIP 1559 which burns a portion of transaction fees, effectively reducing ETH circulating supply over time. If the SEC greenlights Ethereum ETF in 2024 or early 2025, we could see a supply shock similar to Bitcoin's post-ETF rally, combined with growing institutional interest from hedge funds, corporations, and even sovereign wealth funds. Ethereum's path to $10K becomes increasingly plausible. The key question isn't asterisk if asterisk but asterisk when asterisk, and the answer may lie in the hands of regulators. Ethereum's dominance in decentralized finance DeFi and non-fungible tokens (NFTs) remains its strongest competitive advantage, serving as a fundamental driver for its potential surge to $10,000. Despite emerging competitors like Solana and Avalanche, Ethereum still powers over 60% of all DeFi protocols, including industry leaders such as Uniswap, Aave, and MakerDAO. The total value locked TVL in Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem has consistently rebounded stronger after each market downturn, proving its resilience and network effects. The NFT market, while quieter than its 2021 peak, is showing signs of renewed momentum with high-profile collections and real-world asset tokenization gaining traction. Platforms like OpenSea, Blur, and Yuga Labs' continued preference for Ethereum underscores its staying power. Notably, institutional-grade NFT projects, such as tokenized real estate, luxury goods, and even government bonds, are increasingly choosing Ethereum for its security and liquidity. Additionally, Ethereum's burn mechanism EIP 1559 has removed over 4 million ETH from circulation since its implementation, equivalent to nearly $15 billion at current prices. This deflationary pressure, combined with rising demand from DeFi and NFT activity, creates a perfect supply and imbalance that could propel ETH to new all-time highs. If the next wave of DeFi innovation or NFT adoption coincides with favorable market conditions, Ethereum's path to $10K becomes not just possible, but probable. Key takeaway: Ethereum's dual dominance in DeFi and NFTs, coupled with its deflationary tokenomics, positions it uniquely for exponential growth. When these sectors heat up again, they could be the rocket fuel that sends ETH soaring past $10,000. The final crucial factor that could launch Ethereum to $10,000 lies at the intersection of global macroeconomic trends and evolving cryptocurrency regulations. As traditional markets face uncertainty around inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical tensions, Ethereum stands to benefit from its growing perception as a digital hard asset with real-world utility. The potential 2024-2025 Federal Reserve rate cuts could create ideal conditions for risk assets like ETH to flourish. Historical data shows crypto markets tend to rally when liquidity increases, and with over $7 trillion currently sitting in money market funds, even a small rotation into crypto could send Ethereum skyrocketing. Notably, Goldman Sachs analysts have begun including Ethereum in their alternative asset allocation models, while Bank of America recently described smart contract platforms as the most compelling use case in crypto. On the regulatory front, clear guidelines from jurisdictions like the EU MiCA implementation, UK Crypto Asset Framework, and even potential US legislation could remove institutional hesitancy. The SEC eventual decision on Ethereum's security status remains pivotal. A positive clarification could trigger a Wall Street gold rush into ETH. Even conservative estimates suggest that just 1% of global institutional portfolios allocating to Ethereum would represent over $100 billion in new demand, more than enough to push ETH past $10,000.